Welcome to Joke Locker.
It's time for the joke of the day. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Hi kids, welcome to Joke Locker. Here we will teach you some very funny jokes. Tell these jokes to your family and friends. It's sure to make them smile. Are you ready? It's time for some jokes. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister. Hey, how many of these jokes have you memorized? Did you know, the more you practice, the better you become? That's it for today. Bye. Thanks for watching Joke Locker. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to click that like button. Thanks for watching.